Check this out. With this application called Arc, you get this sidebar which brings a pop-up containing several AI tools like AI Summary, Fact Check, Describe Image, Identify Celebrity, Pros and Cons, Math Solver, and many more. So on whichever screen, you can just bring this menu and use any of these tools. For instance, I have this bunch of text in my notes and I want it summarized. I bring this up, tap on AI Summarize, and boom, it's done. It even suggests categories for it, and you also get to save the activity to the application. And not just that, you can tap this play button to play back the summary, and the voice isn't bad at all.
Title: Benefits of House Painting, Protection and Value. Content: 1. Painting protects houses from weather damage like cracks.
You also get screenshots. It can work with images as well, not just text, with tools like Identify Celebrity or Describe Image. You can also choose which applications this app can work on, and you can customize the speech settings. The potential of this app is great, and I'm sure you will definitely enjoy using it. 20 Days Countdown is a pretty simple app. It lets you add information on upcoming events. You definitely know what countdown applications are for. And if I'll show such an application, it's definitely because there is something different in the UI, and this application has that. It is pretty clean. You just tap and add an event, and this page is awesome too. You can customize events with abstract backgrounds or solid background colors. Change the countdown indication style, whether you like the number countdown or the circular or even linear progress bars. You also have the dotted one too. It does not require an account to work, and it also adjusts theme based on your system. Both white and dark themes look incredible, and if you decide to upgrade to the premium, you'll be able to add widgets to the home screen and also use custom backgrounds, even though the few default ones are pretty neat. So feel free to check it out. It is free to install. Do you know how many times you unlock your phone for no good reason every day? Well, we all do sometimes, and with this application called Intenty, you can keep this in check. The app comes with nudges, and you can choose a specific nudge. So if it is intention, you get this overlay anytime you unlock your phone, questioning the intention behind you unlocking, whether it is necessary or not. Mind you, it does not lock you out, it just gives you the nudge. Aside that, it keeps record on how many nudges or responses, so you can have a look at whether you often unlock your phone for no good reason or for a particular reason. Aside the overlay, you still get reminders based on custom time, asking questions like how defined is your intention for this unlock. Within the app, there is posture nudges too, so you get prompted on good posture, and there is more, which are all editable, and it's a free application with a clean UI, so feel free to check it out. Check out this cool application I found on Reddit. It is called Screenveil, and its function is pretty simple. Once you have it installed with the necessary permissions enabled, you get this floating button which, once you tap, brings up a black screen overlay, and to take it off, you just tap unlock down here. And of course, there are several useful scenarios for this. The obvious one being watching a video while working. You might not be paying attention to the visuals, but you love the audio instead, like a YouTube podcast, or if you love to fall asleep to videos, like white noises, plus a bunch more uses. And it's a great benefit if your phone has an AMOLED screen. You save battery while consuming content. The app works on any screen, any application, and on top of it all, it shows a minimal always-on clock. If you love photography and you wish to take pictures like this right off the camera, then check out Flare Camera. It brings this uniqueness especially for documenting for the future. It's just like a usual camera application, but it comes with retro-style films, which you can choose any and take a picture with. On the free version, you get only 3 films, but there are 10 films in all, including Fujifilm styles, Portra, Kodachrome, and more. And aside these films, there is this film settings section to make adjustments of highlights, saturations, shadows, grain size, and more, plus this exposure slider on the left. This at the time of this video is in its early stages, and the developer plans to add live preview, which will be great, more customization, lens selections, and others. And one downside for me is the orientation. It is fixed at landscape, and I think portraits should be added, else you have to take a picture and always rotate. Check this out. With this application called Aido or Aido, you get smart replies when chatting, AI-powered responses, smart note-taking, several triggers to help in fixing sentences, writing better, getting answers, and a whole lot, even summaries. For example, in any text box, you can type a question and add @Aido, which will instantly give you an answer, and it works most of the time, except some answers might be incorrect sometimes. You just have to recheck before. You can also type some lists and add bullets, and it instantly creates a list with bullets and even makes it more presentable. You can type a sentence and add @fixg, and it instantly fixes all errors in it, grammar and spelling checks right there. The commands are so many, you just need to use the application and get familiar with them, and the app works in any background once the necessary permissions are allowed. You even get commands to rewrite sentences or change the tone, and you can use commands like @formal or @casual to change sentences. Seriously, check out this application, and it's free with no hidden fees or in-app purchases. It uses its built-in AI endpoint, or you can switch to Gemini, which requires an API key. So if you think you are definitely going to use this application, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel, since I've hooked you up with this gem of an application. Moving on, Quickball is an application that contributes to one-handed operations. With it, you can access the volume up and downs, brightness, and lock screen triggers with this side edge button. It is sleek, it doesn't get in the way too much, and you can adjust the positions to how you like. You can choose to enable it on the lock screen also, and that's basically about this application. Now let's take a look at this unique concept for a home screen launcher, and it comes in this application called Comfer Launcher. It is actually designed to make finding applications way easier for you if you have a bunch of them, with this search button on the home page. Once you tap, you will easily get your application by simply tapping letters, and it goes a step further here by letting you find contacts too, but that will require permission. Under the home page is where the uniqueness is. To be honest, the app drawer does not enable quick app finding, but it's the layout that needs appreciation. You can long press on any parts of the lower section on the home page to enter the app settings, with lots of customization options like changing icon size and themes, allowing notifications, wallpaper settings, even the home screen application arrangement. You can switch it. And you can add left and right swipe gesture actions on the home screen, and same as the home screen app layout, you can also change that of the app drawer too, if you don't fancy the spinning thing. So yeah, it is both a minimal and catchy launcher which is free to download, so feel free to check it out. If you are into books or you love inspiring quotes, with this app called Dogear Widget, you get to add books, and it breaks them down into text snippets to read, making it easier to consume books faster. Plus, you can share the raw text directly anywhere, which is awesome. It comes with a widget too, and if you upgrade to the Pro, you can select a custom time for the widget to refresh with a new quote, and you can also add more than 3 books. And then we have a game called Looprush. It looks simple, but it's not that. What you must do is lock the blue circle inside the red using the play button. And there is easy, medium, and hard modes. It's not even easy on the easy mode. But overall, it's a time killer game, free to install, and I didn't witness any ads, so you can check it out as well. And if you made it all the way here, I truly appreciate you, and let me know down in the comments which of these applications seem interesting to you. Of course, I love Aido and Arc. They've been very useful so far. Don't forget to drop a thumbs up on the video, and also if you could help me achieve the channel's goal of hitting 10,000 subscribers before the year ends, that would be great. So consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, thank you for watching.